Hello everybody, welcome to PlanningPME Web Access. Today I will show you how to create a department and how to assign a resource to a department. But at first I will show you quickly how to filter the department on our schedule. In order to do that, I will click here above on department. I will choose, for example, here to show only the people from the marketing department by clicking here. I will validate the information, and as you can see, Francois, Kevin, and Marlene are here part of the marketing department. I will now remove the filter like that, and I will show you quickly how to create a department. In order to do that, I will click here on the menu data. I will choose here department. I will press here add. I will write down here sales for the sales department. I will choose here to add Marlene, Kevin, and Jackie to the sales department, and I will save this new department here. Some other tip. If you want, for example, in this case, to create the export department, and if you want it to be part of the sales department, then you will have to press here on add. You will create here the label export. You will choose here, for example, Ben and Christians are part of the sales department, and the parent department will be here, the sales department. You will save the information, and as you can see now, the export department is part of the sales one. So thank you for your attention, and see you soon for new videos.